You wake up, check your phone, no reply, not yesterday, not the day before. Her text just stopped. No explanation, no closure, just silence. And your mind spirals. Was it something I said? Did I move too fast? Am I not enough? You replay every message, every date, every laugh, searching for the moment. It all went wrong. But here's the hard truth. No one tells you. Ghosting isn't usually about you. It's about her capacity, her patterns, and her unresolved wounds. And while you can't control why she vanished, you can control how you respond and whether it happens again. Today, we're breaking down the real psychology of ghosting backed by therapists, attachment researchers, and data from over 10,000 dating experiences. You'll learn the 3 hidden reasons women ghost even good men, why trying to fix her never works, and the one powerful shift that protects your heart and attracts healthier love. The final insight won't help you win her back. It'll help you stop losing yourself to ghosting. If you've ever been left in silence wondering, why do me a quick favor hit like right now? This isn't about revenge or blame. It's about clarity, healing, and self-respect. And that message needs to reach every man who's been made to feel disposable. Myth number 1, she ghosted because you weren't good enough. False. A 2023 study in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships surveyed 2,100 people who had ghosted someone. The top 3 reasons: 1, they felt overwhelmed and didn't know how to communicate. 2, they were avoidant due to past relationship trauma. 3, they lost interest but feared confrontation or hurting you. Notice what's missing? He was boring. He wasn't attractive. He messed up. Ghosting isn't a verdict on your value. It's a failure of emotional skill on her part. Dr. Jessica Carbino, sociologist and former Bumble advisor, says it best. Ghosting is a sign of emotional immaturity, not a reflection of your worth. So stop blaming yourself. Start seeing her behavior for what it is. A red flag, not a rejection. Reason number 2, attachment avoidance. If she has an avoidant attachment style, often rooted in childhood, intimacy can trigger anxiety. When things start feeling real, her nervous system panics. And instead of saying, I need space, she disappears. It's not personal, it's neurological. Dr. Amir Levine, co-author of Attached, explains that avoidant individuals often idealize you early, then pull away when closeness feels threatening. They don't ghost because you're wrong. They ghost because they can't handle their own vulnerability. And no amount of being better will fix that. Only her healing can. Reason number 3, you were never her priority. She kept you warm while waiting for something better. Or she enjoyed your attention, but wasn't emotionally available for real connection. That's not cruelty, it's confusion. Hers, not yours. A Match.com survey found that 68% of ghosters admitted they were just not that into the person, but didn't know how to say it kindly. And while that hurts, it's also a gift, because a woman who truly values you won't leave you guessing. She'll choose clarity, even when it's hard. So how do you fix it? You don't. Not by texting her again, not by begging for answers, not by changing yourself to win her back. You fix it by changing your boundaries. Here's how. Check mark. Stop chasing closure from someone who refused to give it. Closure doesn't come from her, it comes from you saying, I deserve better than silence. Don't invest deeply until she shows consistent effort. Ghosting thrives on imbalance. If you're the only one planning, texting, or opening up, pause. Let her earn your energy. Respond to flakiness with calm distance. If she cancels last minute or goes quiet, don't chase. Match her effort. Protect your peace. Heal your own fear of abandonment. The more secure you become, the less ghosting can shake you, and the more you'll attract women who communicate with respect. The truth that changes everything. Being ghosted isn't a loss. It's a filter. It filtered out someone who couldn't show up for you, so the right woman, the one who chooses you with her words and her actions, has room to walk in. You don't need her explanation to know your worth. You just need to stop giving your peace to people who treat it like an afterthought. Closing message. If this helped you see ghosting differently, not as rejection, but redirection, remember 3 things. Like, for the men still hurting in silence. Subscribe to build self-worth, not chase validation. Share with someone who needs to stop begging for crumbs and start demanding respect. You were never the problem. You were just in the wrong story. Your right story begins with someone who shows up and stays. See you in the next one.